Jai Hind. Now we are presenting a great freedom fighter of India, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. That was the great personality. He did a lot of things for independence of India. Now let's start about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, birth, death, university, achievement, contribution and more. So start. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is an Indian nationalist whose patriotism toward India has left a mark in the heart of many Indians. On Netaji's birthday anniversary, let's read more about him. Subhash Chandra Bose is considered the most influential freedom fighter with extraordinary leadership skills and a charismatic orator. His famous slogan are तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा, जय हिंद and दिल्ली चलो. He formed Azad Hind Fauj and made several contributions to India's freedom struggle. He is known for his militant approach that he used to gain independence and for his socialist policies. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23 January 1897 in Cuttack, that is in Orissa, to Prabhavati Dutt Bose and Janaki Nath Bose. His father was a successful lawyer in Cuttack and received the title of Rai Bahadur. He did his schooling from the Protestant European School, presently Stewart High School in Cuttack. Just like his siblings, he did baccalaureate from the Presidency College. He was influenced by the teaching of Swami Vivekananda and Ramakrishna. After reading their works at the age of 16, he then was sent by his parents to University of Cambridge in England to prepare for the Indian Civil Service. In 1920, he passed the Civil Service examination, but in April 1921, after hearing of the nationalist turmoil in India, he resigned his candidacy and hurried back to India. Now something about Azad Hind Fauj. An important development in the struggle for freedom during the Second World War was the formation and activities of the Azad Hind Fauj, also known as the Indian National Army or INA. Ras Bihari Bose, an Indian revolutionary who had escaped from India and had been living in Japan for many years, set up the Indian Independence League up with the support of India living in the countries of Southeast Asia. When Japan defeated the British armies and occupied almost all the countries of Southeast Asia, the League formed the National Army for among the Indian prisoners of war with the aim of liberating India from British rule. General Mohan Singh, who had been an officer in the British Indian Army, played an important role in organizing this army. In the meantime, Subhash Chandra Bose had escaped from India in 1941 and gone to Germany to work for India's independence in 1943. He came to Singapore to lead the Indian Independence League and rebuild the Indian National Army, Azad Hind Fauj, to make it an effective instrument for the freedom of India. The Azad Hind Fauj comprised about 45,000 soldiers, among who were Indian prisoners of war as well as Indians who were settled in various countries of Southeast Asia. On 21 October 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose, who was now popularly known as Netaji, name given by Hitler, that was from Germany, proclaimed the formation of the Provisional Government of Independent India Azad Hind in Singapore. Netaji went to the Andaman, which had been occupied by the Japanese, and hoisted there the flag of India. In early 1944, 3 units of the Azad Hind Fauj took part in the attack on the northeastern parts of India to oust the British from India. According to Shah Nawaz Khan, one of the most prominent officers of the Azad Hind Fauj, the soldiers who had entered India laid themselves flat on the ground and passionately kissed the scared soil of their motherland. However, the attempt to liberate India by the Azad Hind Fauj failed. The Indian nationalist movement did not view the Japanese government as a friend of India. Its sympathies were with the people of those countries which had fallen victims to Japan's aggression. Netaji, however, believed that with the help of the Azad Hind Fauj, supported by Japan, and a revolt inside India, the British rule over India could be ended. The Azad Hind Fauj, with the slogan of Delhi Chalo and the salutation Jai Hind, was a source of inspiration to Indians inside and outside the country. Netaji rallied together with the Indians and all religions and regions living in Southeast Asia for the cause of India's freedom. Indian women also played an important role in the activities for the freedom of India. A women's regiment of Azad Hind Fauj formed, which was under the command of Captain Lakshmi Swaminathan. It was called the Rani Jhansi Regiment. The Azad Hind Fauj became the symbol of unity and heroism to the people of India. Netaji, who had been one of the greatest leaders of India's struggle for freedom, was reported killed in an air crash a few days after Japan had surrendered. The Second World War ended in 1945 with the defeat of fascist Germany and Italy. Millions of people were killed in the war. When the war was nearing its end and Italy and Germany had already been defeated, the USA dropped atom bombs on the two places. That was the Japan's cities, that is this time so popular, that was Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Within a few moments, these cities were burnt to the ground and over 2 lakhs people were killed. Japan surrendered soon after this. Though the use of atom bombs brought the war to a close, it led to new tensions in the world and to a new competition for making more and more deadly weapons that might destroy all mankind. That's it. Jai Hind.